Hello. So from the title of this video you will know that I am moving. I'm moving to Delhi. Yeah, that is true. I'm moving to Delhi. All my Jaipur friends and family who are watching this, I am finally moving to Delhi. I have been waiting for this moment for the last 2 years. I took admission in 2020 in June. I started my online classes from 18 November 2020. That counts around 2 years of online classes and everything in between. You guys all know it. So yes, and I will be leaving my home tomorrow, that is by 16th of Feb. By the time you will be watching this vlog, I will be in Delhi. And yeah, so the last thing that I wanted to do in this room was make this video standing in front of you guys and let's see the studio. I have been using this room as a studio since last 2 or 3 months, and let me show you the whole room. So here is the door. You enter from here. The green screen was here, and then the mirror, the study table was here, and that wall was created by me. I pasted all my artwork there, and then I have packed my stuff. It's official that I am moving to Delhi. And then there is that showcase, and that's it. But now I will be moving to a one bed room where the space is so less that I will even have to keep all of my stuff below my bed. So that will be a new journey. It's a new chapter in my life, and as you all are part of this journey, I wanted to give you this information, and let's see how it goes. I will be vlogging a lot this year. I will post content from my first day in college, from moving to Delhi Market, Hudson Lane, everything will be covered. And then the PG tour will be there. Everything will be covered in these 1 or 2 months. So subscribe if you have not subscribed, like the video, comment down below if you have any suggestions, and you can follow me on Instagram if you want some exclusive and quality content. You can even follow me on Telegram because I have a channel there. I post some really nice content there. So yeah, that's it for today. See you next time.